Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on RoboForex. So the first thing that we need to do is we go here to the search bar and search right here for XAU. And then after that, we have it standing right there. So we click on XAU Euro and then we can place it right here on this chart. Then what we want to do, whoa, it's a massive dip right there, but we want to create a long or a short. So what we're gonna do is we click on market, select here sell or buy, sell short, and buy is for the long. And then please make sure that you select here the pips. So let's do 10 pips. Then you can enable take profit if you want to, and select here how many pips it needs to increase if you're doing a buy that you want to take the profit on. And we can do this for a stop loss. So let's say if he will fall down 2 pips, then I want to stop our losses. So now we click here on buy, and now we just bought some gold. So this is seriously how easy it is. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.